top secret right now, so I'm not going to tell you guys, as all the other startup companies. But what twistmi got to do is that it allows you to record videos online from this website called twistmi and apply real-time transformation effects within the Flash player itself. And Nancy here is going to walk you through the demo right now.
Okay. Hi everyone. So basically, this is something that we threw together in a couple of weeks, and we just thought this is a really fun little application that just allows the user to go to the website, record something, do something with it to express themselves better, and then just take this video, email it to someone, and embed it in like something like a social networking site. So I'll just take you through what it does. So we come into this website. This is what you see. Basically, I'm using my eyesight right now, and it's got my face on it. So some things that you can play with that's not like typical other like video recording sites that you can under settings you can like tweak some of the stuff like brightness and perimeters, and like these are not like default settings in the Flash player, so we have to like figure out ways to do these and like get the have the effects kind of real time on the video. So it's a little dark in here. Well, not really. It's bright actually. So after that, what happens is that users can apply something called flavors to their videos. These are basically a whole bunch of different like video effects that they can apply. So as you can see, like this is like X-ray, sepia, photocopy, and black and white. So let me just like, pick one of them. Like I kind of like the photocopy effect. It makes my teeth look really creepy. Like yeah. So it just lets people like express themselves better. I guess you can even say it's kind of stupid, but like I think it's really fun. I just have fun tweaking with these things. And like, in different effects, when you tweak the settings, it creates different kind of like results. So this is kind of the old sepia. That's what it's called. I'm not sure what it means, but that's what it's called.
That's awesome.
And dreamy is just kind of a Gaussian blur thingy, and plus it makes it kind of like if you're like really ugly like me, you can like dreamy Photoshop stuff. So that'll be useful for people, because like on MySpace and Facebook, you see a lot of people putting out really artsy shots of themselves, so that would probably mean they're ugly. So yeah.
Oh my god.
And this is just and alright, so what's even more cool than the flavors, I think personally, is the twists. So what the twists are, they're like effects that users have like control over. So as you can see, like it really screws up my face, like in all these different things. So let's say like I have a really big nose, right? So like I want to make it small or something. I can like, well, this actually makes it bigger. I can like, okay, this. So the user have like a lot of control over like where does he want it to be. You can just drag it around like. I have like tiny Asian eyes, so like, I can make it like you can control the strength, like make it even bigger, like really creepy, really big. So yeah, basically like one of my favorite twists is like squirrel, because like it really messes up your face like a lot. So yeah, so it swirls up different parts. Users can just adjust these things. Have fun with them, I guess. It's like the most important thing. And let me just. Okay, so like these two effects can get like put on concurrently. So I can like change the flavor back into something more normal, so you can see the effect more clearly. Yeah. So a lot of the challenge was actually to figure out how to do this within the Flash player which we were using, and how to make these effects get applied in real time. Because through the bitmap API, everything is just too slow, so we have to figure out new and interesting ways. So like the digital image processing class I took in Berkeley kind of came in handy. So we're all college students actually. So after the user is done with these things, you can just basically hit the record button. Okay, so you can hit the record button, and it just records this video with whatever like he or she applied. So when the recording is done, it actually connects to our own back-end server that we wrote ourselves that records this thing, because using the Adobe FMS is way too expensive. $20,000 for 125 connections, that's not something college students can afford. So after you're done with that, you just basically click stop, and click, you can click play to like view it back, and then you just click share, and it allows you to, like, right now what happens is that it allows you to like type in the email address, and So I'll just limit it to myself. Oh, it's not localhost right now, so it doesn't actually work. But what happens is it just sends a video to me, gives me a link that I can embed, and it gives me an embed code that I can embed it anywhere. We have a new version coming that makes use of the F8 platform for Facebook. Basically, it's just something that people can have fun with to express themselves better on blogs, social networks, and communicate. Yeah, basically that's it.
Cool. Questions? Yeah. On the back first.
What webcams does that work with right now?
It actually works with all webcams that your computer can detect, basically. If the system recognizes it, it's multi-platform, Mac, Windows. There's a webcam selector that lets you select it if it detects multiple ones. So it pretty much works with everything. That was it.
There's a question over here.
Yeah, I mean, one thing you guys maybe didn't talk about so much that's really cool is the fact that this is web-based.
Oh yeah, it's thank you. It works completely within the browser and everything. Yeah, it's just easier that way.
Yeah, we tested it on PC, on Mac. Basically as much as the computer, web browser, and Flash player, it can work.
Linux, whatever. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Are you sending the video or are you sending a link to the video?
We're actually sending a link to the video because the normal video player, when playing back the FLV, wouldn't have the effects applied. And all the effects actually stored as the metadata within the movie itself, so you actually need our player to play back.
Are you planning on packaging your backend video encoding server?
What do you mean by packaging?
Oh.
Are you going to sell it to other people since we're done?
It's possible, I guess, but yeah, but we haven't thought about that yet. We're all really tech development kind of people, so we just figured that if we build something cool that people will want it.
Any other questions? All right, one more. Go ahead.
Sorry, you're with Techstars? Is this what you're doing?
We're with techstars, but we're working on another major project, and this is what we crank out in the last couple of days.
Yeah, we get a lot of new ideas every single day. So at this rate we're going, we might never actually get to the major project. I don't know, but we have a lot of fun.
This is the side project for this week.
Well, yeah, basically.
Techstars is teaching focus then.
Yeah, it's a good experience. So if you guys are interested, we're actually planning to launch this towards the end of the week. So just sign up, give us the email on this website. We just send you an invite once the private beta is out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Web-based photo booth.
So we're just at 7,
Video.
a little bit after.